As I was going over the Cork and Kerry mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol, I then produced my rapier. Say stand and deliver, or the devil he may take him. Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I took all of his money, and it was a pretty penny. I took all of his money, and I brought it home to Molly. She swore that she loved me, and never would she leave me. But the devil take the woman, for you know she tricked me easy. Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Being drunk and being weary, I went to Molly's chambers, taking Molly with me, and I never knew the dangers. About 6, maybe 7, in came Captain Farrell. I jumped up with a pistol and I shot him with both barrels. Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Here we go! Some men like fishing, and some men like rolling. Some men like to hear the cannonballs are rolling. Well, me, I like sleeping in Molly's chambers, taking Molly with me, and I never knew the danger. Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Hey! Mushering, never do, never die. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar.